I just built a gap jump, test it out on our bikes. So yeah, oh! I just wanted to show off a little. I'm still recording, great, yeah. Or onto it. Let's go. It kind of works. Whee! Or else a catwalk, but on it. Freaking crooked. A head mount on now. So yeah, let's go. Woo! And then, ooh, that was kind of towards you. It rolls up smooth. Yeah. Oh, damn car. Oh.
Watch this.
Woo.
Yes, recording. Mom, look, I got. Yes.
Oh, my bad.
I can only go off one.
No. So yeah, let's go. So I can already go press stop recording. Ooh. Oh yeah. Whoa.
That was dumb.
You don't have to go full speed. You just have to lift your wheel up half as you. Oh my gosh. It's alright. Oh, what a transition.
Can I use the one on top of the...
Let's release it.